How to make money with Perplexity. Are you looking to turn your skills into cash from your laptop? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Perplexity, a powerful tool that can supercharge your income. Stay tuned because these steps could change your financial game. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of Perplexity and how you can use it to boost your earnings. In the realm of natural language processing and information theory, Perplexity is a key metric used to evaluate the performance of probabilistic models, especially language models. It quantifies how well a model predicts a sequence of words, effectively measuring the model's uncertainty or confidence in its predictions. First things, what exactly is Perplexity? Is a fantastic tool or announcing? We'll explore how you can leverage it to make money. So all you have to do right now is open your web browser and dive into perplexity.ai. As you can see, this is the homepage. Here we have here we have home, discover, library, sign in. So all you have to do is continue with Google. If you want Google, if you want Apple, you have to use Google over here. Then we have some SSO. Then you have email. You can just write your email and you will receive an email, or then you confirm it, and that's it. You sign up. Here we have ask anything where knowledge begins. You can ask anything here. So let's give an example. Here, who is the best player in the world? As you can see, so here we have sources. We have 5 sources and answer also. We have also related. You can click over the one you want. As you can see, we have also pictures, search videos, generate image. Then we have here Pro. You can click over here. Area of Perplexity Pro is the most powerful way to search the internet with unlimited Pro search, upgraded EA models, unlimited file upload, image generation, and APA credit. We have standard, start for free, no credit card needed. Then we have continue with free, unlimited quick searches, 5 Pro searches per day, standard Perplexity EA model optimized for speed and quality, create profile to personalize your answers. You will have professional one, $20 for each month, and as you can see here we have enterprise also. Here we have help your team get further faster, boost your team's efficiency with the most powerful AI research assistant. As you can see, you can just get started. Then we have playground. So here we have a conversation with Perplexity Labs. Here we have hello, how can I help you? You can just type and whatever you want, the problem you have, or the question that you want, and the solution that you need. So it's very helpful. Then we have block. About block, we have here process, upgrade for more advanced problem solving. Research shapes our daily lives. We use it to make informed decisions and solve problems to innovate, learn, and grow. As you can see, we have Perplexity Collaborate, Amazon Web Services to launch Enterprise Pro. They are bringing Perplexity to the education, introducing Perplexity Pace, Perplexity Launches, and other type of Perplexity, as you can see. So let's come back to the top. As you see, we have here cars also. Cars as Perplexity, our mission. We can read to more understand our values, our ownership, velocity, utility. Then we have courage opening. You have a lot of information here. All you have to do is click over here and get your answers. And we have also fake. As you can see, frequently asked questions: what is Perplexity? How does Perplexity work? What is Perplexity Pro? What is Pro Search? What is Perplexity Page? As you can see, and the various questions, you can just click over here and you get your answers. So let's choose someone here. What is Perplexity? You can just click over here and you get your answers. So this is definition of Perplexity. Then we have also encyclopedia. Welcome to the Perplexity Encyclopedia, introducing a new era of knowledge collections and creation. There is always more to learn. Get started today. Then we have a lot of niches, captions, audiogram, free .ed.ao, then inferior, iGen, King EA, and the various niches as you can see. So then here we have colors also. You can select also the language you want. We have your various language as you can see. Then let's give it some method to earn money on Perplexity. First, we have freelance services. One of the easiest ways to start earning with Perplexity is by offering freelance services. Here is how you can do it. First, identify your niche. Are you good at mentioning specific tasks Perplexity? Then we have create a profile, set a professional profile on freelancing sites like Upwork or Fiverr. Make sure to highlight your skills and experience with Perplexity. Then we have showcase your work. Use Perplexity to create some simple projects. This will help potential clients see the value you can bring. Then we have method 2, creating and selling digital. Another great way to make money is by creating and selling digital products using Perplexity. It is how. First, we have develop your product. Use Perplexity to create ebooks, templates, or online courses. Then, set up an online store. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad are great for selling digital products. Then we have market your products. Use social media and email marketing to reach your audience. We have third method, affiliate marketing. Host. Affiliate marketing is another excellent way to make money with Perplexity. Here is how it works. First, join an affiliate program. Sign up to Perplexity's affiliate program if they have one or promote related products. Then create followable content, write blogs, posts, create videos, or use social media to share your affiliate links. Then drive traffic. Use SEO, social media marketing, and email campaigns to drive traffic to your content. We have the last one, online courses and consulting. If you are an expert using Perplexity, why not teach others? Here is how. Create online courses. Use platforms like Teachable or Udemy to create and sell courses on using Perplexity effectively. Offer consulting services. Provide one-on-one coaching or consulting to individuals or businesses looking to get the most out of Perplexity. So, and there you have it, 4 powerful ways to make money with Perplexity, whether you choose freelance services, digital products, affiliate marketing, or online courses. There's plenty of opportunities out there. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.